an old-fashioned water cooler, a wasteful, dirty coffee brewer, an electric teapot, and a constant mess. It's time for a change. Now, imagine one system that does it all. An all-in-one, single-serve coffee brewing water cooler. That system, the revolutionary Aqua Cafe. The amazing Aqua Cafe, the all-in-one single-serve coffee brewing water cooler, part of the MTN Products family of water cooler and beverage systems. Learn more and schedule your demonstration today.